exploring the major branches of psychology. Welcome to MentalShift. Today, we're breaking down the major branches of psychology, each one helping us understand the mind, behavior, and real-life challenges. Clinical psychology focuses on diagnosing and treating mental health issues like anxiety, depression, and trauma. Counseling psychology helps individuals handle everyday problems, from relationships to life decisions. Educational psychology studies how people learn to improve teaching methods and student performance. Developmental psychology examines how we grow and change throughout life, aiding parents and caregivers. Social psychology explores group behavior and how opinions and attitudes are shaped by others. Each branch of psychology offers a unique perspective on human behavior, aiding in problem solving and enhancing well-being. Understanding these branches is essential for students, future psychologists, and anyone curious about the human mind. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into psychology in everyday life.